Welcome to this introduction video. Today, we have published a package of the bolt analysis and simulation in Abaqus. This is a great package to learn everything about the bolts in all the working situation. Click on title or blue sign, then you will have an introduction of bolts in Abaqus and the Abaqus capability to model bolts, bolt load, interaction, anything. After the introduction, you can see some figures of our new releases here. Consider the bolt effect. You can see these are the results. In the push-out test, in the bending, in the foundation, also in the foundation here, in the interaction between the steel and concrete members, here you can see again the foundation and then the seismic loading, anything. See here, you can find anything, bolt failure in this package. There are some information about the bolts modeling in Abaqus, like um, the bolt modeling. What is the model of the bolt? Then the properties, contact interaction is important. Preload application, which is available in a static model, not in the dynamic. And then the analysis type can be static, dynamic, fatigue, everything you can do. And we have some problem or challenges like contact nonlinearity, treated modeling, or preload accuracy. And the most important thing is the contact information or contact problem in the static model when you have many members. So you can see the application here in aerospace, automotive, civil engineering, or mechanical design. And then the conclusion of the above statements, you can read it here. In this package, you will learn everything about the bolts in a static and dynamic model, in many structures, in any structure that you need. The package contains 11 separate tutorials. 11 separate tutorials. Each tutorial contains or includes CAE INP code, paper, reference for material, and step-by-step English video. By using this package, you will learn everything about the bolts, and you don't need anything because you will learn everything. The price of this package is 81 euros. 81. You can use a PayPal account, Visa or MasterCard for the payment. Uh, Also, if you have any questions, you can contact me to this email to tell you about the purchasing process, contents, or any information that you need. Thank you for your attention.